Greetings everyone, Eric here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Fuzzcoven from Does It Doom. Alright, so the Fuzzcoven is the third in a line of pedals that the channel Does It Doom, which is a YouTube channel run by Steve. It's a set of pedals that he wanted to make. I believe it's him and someone else doing the making and manufacturing these things. By the way, these are limited kind of run things. This thing has a whole bunch of technical specs about what it is. I'm not good with that kind of crap, so I'm definitely going to leave a video link down below to the video where he explains all the technical stuff. All I know is that this is a fuzz pedal with one knob. The one knob is a volume knob, so when it's set at noon, that should be unity gain, which means it should be about the same level as whatever your guitar's pulling in. And then as you crank it up, it can give you a volume boost, or you can pull it down for a volume cut, which is really nice. It's loaded from the front, so you have your inputs here and your power supply right there. It's got one little switchy here. It's got a really pretty kind of green paint on here. It's got a nice texture to it too, so you can tell that they kind of go over it with a bit of a paint spray effect of some kind, probably some type of stencil. But yeah, none of that matters, because all you really care about, and all I care about, is what does this thing sound like? And so yeah, we're going to be getting to that part, because that's the important part. Also, it has a purple LED, I believe. I think this thing has a purple LED. Anyway, you'll see it in the footage. I recorded this a little while ago, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, we're going to switch over to some footage. I'm going to be playing my Epiphone SG Special, stock pickups and everything. That's going to go into all my pedal board stuff, which has a Mesner pedal from Walrus Audio, the Hypercoven from Does It Doom, which is kind of a broken up kind of octave thing, which will be going into that pedal. And then that's going into my Orange Crush Pro 120. I'll be doing one take where I do the clean channel, and then I'll do another short take where I do the dirty channel, because he did say that this thing should sound good in the dirt channel, so we'll see how that sounds. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now. Let's go on to music. Okay, so I absolutely love this pedal. That is my thoughts. I fucking love this thing. Excuse the language, but this is an awesome sounding fuzz pedal. I believe he said it's based off of the Hyper Fuzz or something, or Fuzz Face. I think it's supposed to be similar off of the Fuzz Face. Anyway, like I said, I'll link down in the description to his video on this amazing pedal. I actually made sure to watch it. I wanted to stay blind to this thing because I wanted to hear it live myself without hearing anyone else's audio first. So everything I recorded was before I'd even watched any other videos. So my first reaction the moment I came across this thing was just like, oh, this thing sounds amazing. I love it. It's got a great tone to it. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description to the video I watched after I did all that. From Steve from Does It Doom. He does a great job showcasing the pedal. He also gives you a lot of the technical information about this pedal. So if you want the tech specs, go to the guy who helped design it. But anyway, I wanted to give a big thank you to Steve from Does It Doom. He's an amazing guy. I've been talking to him over on Instagram and kind of conversing about pedals and music and stuff like that. He's a really awesome dude. So definitely check out his channel. Dude does amazing work. I'd also wanted to give a special shout out to my buddy Mark from the band Sky King. I'll leave a link in the description for his channel as well. I had issues with the... basically what happened is my buddy Mark bought me this for my birthday. He bought two, actually. One for him and one for me. The one I got had a little bit of technical issues. So what he did was he was very gracious and he swapped me for his, which works perfectly fine. And we've actually sent out the one I had to Steve from Does It Doom, and they're going to basically just open it up, fix it all up, and send it right back. So again, a big thank you to both Mark and Steve for being awesome people. So check out their channels. And yeah, if you liked the video, give it the thumbs up, subscribe if you want more content, all that other jazz. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this pedal, what you think of the tones. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Later.